Okay, so we're now in Rizal. In front of me is Reygan. He's in a Isuzu Dmax LSE 4x4, and I'm in the Ford Ranger FX4 Max. We're gonna see which one is the better off-roader, although we know the answer to that already. The FX4 Max has bigger all-terrain tires, it has more ground clearance, it has a differential lock, but let's see how much difference it makes.
Yeah, this is the same. Is this?
Okay. Okay, so ano to? Tapos meron tayong river crossing na maliit dyan.
Take the next left, then make a U-turn.
Mayor. Is this Mayor or?
Next
Or
time we can
meron
go
tayong
here, bro.
Mayor camping site or what?
Baka yung kanina na yan.
Sure.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. But I think this is it then. Oh God, who knows? You guys should be very. Maganda to pag mayroong GoPro. Mayroong tawag nito. Mayroong drone shots. Daddy, careful!
Palagi naman tayong careful.
Bakit na siya na mabilis?
Ganun talaga. 4 high pala, 2 high. Sorry about that, man.
Usap.
I was in 4 high din tayo.
I'm checking videos. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is fun. This is it. Ang ganda tingnan ng bibidyohan ko din to para yan yung sa likod. Ay, meron na. Wow, this is so pretty. Yay. Aray ko po.
Let's go off-roading, man.
Oh my God, this is so nice. Sayang, wala tayong drone.
At dito natin nakita yung
Vigo. Yeah, this is this is the same. Tama nga. Ito na yun.
Yeah.
Yay! Success!
So we're now going deeper into the jungle.
Oy, Daddy!
And so far we're on paved roads, but later it's gonna get rougher.
La!
We're gonna cross rivers.
Ulitin mo.
Huh? So we're now going deeper into the jungle. So far we're on paved roads, but in a while it'll get rougher. We'll be on mud. We'll be driving over rocks, over rivers. It's gonna be epic, man.
Matas mo yung kanyang
Yung
Kasi
siguro may pag medyo rough na maunag tayo kasi mas capable yung ating machine.
shit, my hands. I mean, matas mo ba yung dito? Kasi
Yung?
naaano na yung aking tenga eh.
Mataas tayo.
Hello po!
Hello,
my
people.
friends in the locals. Hello po!
Hello.
Kamusta po kayo?
Hello, people.
How are you po?
FX4
Hindi ba
Max.
talaga ako mukhang
Makakamakit na bata. Yeah, so far the suspension is very good. This is very rough terrain, and
Church, ibukaw laiban tanay Rizal.
so far all of my teeth are still in place. Ooh, another river crossing. And yeah, let's see how the Dmax does. So the Ford Ranger FX4 Max has 800 millimeters of wading depth. Yeah, it's not very deep. River.
Row your boat down the gentle stream. Merrily.
Let's go into 4 high now. Yes.
Go. Mabuti na lang hindi tayo nawala. Uy, kaya nga ng high ace dito at mababa yung high ace.
Oh, ito na yung medyo mahabang river.
Okay.
Siguro pwede tayo mag-upload ng dalawang videos. Isang comparo, tapos isang ganito lang.
Oh, yeah. This is
Kasi last time puro FX4 Max. Ito meron tayong kasamang Dmax. This is now our third.
Bakit? Wait lang. Bakit umusok?
Kailangan na basahan ng tubig yung makina, mainit ah.
Ganun talaga? Yung usok?
Okay. Good now.
Maybe he did not hear us. Maybe you press something here.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
Maybe you press something here about the... Or maybe he turned it off so that he can do video without interruption. But, tada! Maybe, mamaya yun.
Parang dumami yung river crossing natin eh. That looks deep, man.
Guys, ito na yata yung riverbed kung saan tayo unang pumunta, pero mukhang nanguhuli kasi walang tubig. So hindi ko alam kung kakayanin natin to. Over.
Okay. Gusto mo ba ikaw mauna? Or
Kami mauna.
kami? Ano? I'll check. Gusto mo i-check ko muna?
Hindi natin makita kung malalim eh.
Check ko nga muna.
Survey ko muna, titignan ko lang muna
Ay.
kung kano kalalim. Over.
Check natin. Oh, maring white. Maring white. Pa. Oh God, ang sakit. Sakit.
Seatbelt. Okay, so another river crossing. Oh, it's not. I thought it would be.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do this easily.
Yeah.
Dito yung may
May.
horse checkpoint.
Yeah, you make me horse. Was it a horse or a cow? A horse? Was it a
Horse.
Horse? Oh, okay. Yeah. What is this? Nature Rally Farm. It is up. Okay, his equipment.
Yeah, so we're now pretty deep into the jungle. Are we gonna make it back?
Wow, ang ganda tingnan, no?
Are we gonna make it back in one piece? Or are we gonna be stuck here forever? Creepy music.
Creepy music you.
We're now about 30 kilometers away from civilization.
Why are you speaking in low tone?
Parang nga mas creepy.
You don't sound creepy. Okay.
Okay,
Tingnan natin. Careful, careful.
plenty of rocks. That's okay, we can handle this. What is
Alright.
he doing?
Wala namang bato ah. Paano ba?
What's
Hindi ko
going?
makita
What's happening?
Baka meron lang siyang baka ano lang. Stop lang siya to get magtatain ka dun sa
Medyo
gilid
mataas pala tayo. Nagano siguro siya ng 4x4 mode.
Tingnan mo yung ng ano yung gilid niya.
Okay, we're switching to 4 low because we're going up this rocky uphill hill thingamabobs. If you can do it, I can definitely do it because I'm in a more capable truck. Yeah, see what I mean? Switching back to 4 high.
Which is more expensive? This one or
Yun,
this one?
yun.
That one is more expensive?
Pero mas pang off-road eh. Mas pang off-road. Ito ay talagang design para pang off-road. Yan ay medyo lifestyle pickup. Marami sa mga 1.8.
This one?
1.6 something.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. Oh, I can feel it slipping now.
So what's the difference of a lifestyle?
Yan kasi parang may mga marami siyang tech features. Tapos leather yung seats. Tapos
Why is it more expensive?
yun nga, marami siyang mga tech features. Marami
I
siyang
mean, this is leather seat.
meron siyang adaptive cruise control. Tapos yung
velvet.
yung kanyang leather dashboard.
Is this not leather?
Plastic na yun. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, we can do this.
Wait lang, merong bato sa harap.
Hindi, pero tayo mag-right doon.
Okay.
Guys, diretso pa ako, diretso pa. May kalsada pa, over.
Oo, okay, sige.
Copy.
Okay. Akala ko yung bato nasa gitna.
Nga sabi ko. Okay, sige, let's go. Wow, look at this place, man. It looks nice. And also pretty remote.
But no,
Yeah, there's one person over there.
we
Pero
don't have
bukod
cell
dyan,
phone signal, guys.
yeah, we don't have cell phone signal.
That's why we're bringing a radio with us.
Yeah, river crossing. So yeah,
Ayos.
let's go.
Galing ng Isuzu Dmax.
Yeah, it's doing much better than I was expecting.
Diba you're doing comparo din dyan? Alright.
Oh, look
Wow.
at that. Lalim, buddy.
Wow. Wow. Milkshake.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Milkshake. Like slurp slurp. Just smiling, oh, you have to smile.
Hi, sorry.
He's smiling at
Oo nga
you.
eh, oo nga eh.
He's being friendly. Wow.
Ay, sorry.
Ikaw, Alas, you're really a snobbish guy.
Another,
Stop ka
parang ang
talaga.
dami nating river crossing. Parang last time, 3 lang yun bago yung...
Yun nga. Baka parang madami. Or
Okay lang,
we
okay
forgot
lang.
na lang.
Oo,
Or
baka siguro.
we lose count.
Yeah, we can do this.
Okay, wait.
Kaya ito, nagkisat lang siya ng kanyang camera siguro.
Sorry guys, tumitigil lang kasi nagsisip ako to 4 low eh. Ano siya eh, medyo traditional 4-wheel drive pa tong Dmax over.
Sige, it's okay.
Okay, copy. Parang bata. Okay, copy.
Yeah, so the FX4 Max has a wading depth of 800 millimeters. This is nothing to the FX4 Max. This is
Chicken. This is CCU. This is eating
CCO.
peanuts.
Yeah.
It's like eating peanuts. This is making me so ihi na. Wow! Pero parang hindi na tayo dumaan. Wala baka. Ako parang hindi na tayo dumaan sa may barangay. Yung barangay.
Siguro iba na tong route natin.
Hindi
O iba na to, tapos tayo maliligaw at hindi tayo makakauwi forever. Hindi tayo makakauwi forever. Dito yung horse. Dito yung horse. Di pa tayo dumadaan sa barangay.
No, the
Doon yung
horse
horse.
was no, the horse was there. Mga 2 rivers before this.
So hindi tayo nasa tamang route. Sabihin tayo ay nawawala na. Tayo ay hindi na makakabalik forever. Dito yung horse. Bakit yun?
Hindi walang
Horse
bahay
checkpoint.
Walang
So we
bahay
don't have a
yun.
horse checkpoint today.
I remember this is not the part where the horse was.
Okay, hanggang saan natin
Was
papaabutin to?
being stubborn. It was like 2 rivers before this. Ow. Ayun.
Okay, let's go. Look at this place.
So pretty. Wow. Wow.
Let's get this truck muddy.
Brr.
Oh wow.
Kayong dalawa kayo, kailangan nyo talaga akong libre.
Naman, syempre.
Hindi.
Wow, look at this, man. Let's hope we don't get stuck. This is
Nabalahaw.
very deep mud. Oh, dude.
Pag nabalahaw, wala na tayong paano natin pag nabalahaw, dapat wala tayong lubid.
Yun nga lang.
Pag nabalahaw tayo, wala pa rin tayong dalang lubid. Wala natin pwede. Wala tayo magkikiram ng lubid. Ayun. Ayun na. Yun.
This is it.
Yan.
Hanggang dito na tayo. Dito na yung medyo malalim na river. Hindi siya. Actually, yeah. Dito ba yung river crossing? Hindi pa. Yeah, I remember this.
I remember dumaan tayo dito and then hindi pa. Doon pa tayo sa unahan magpo-cross. Okay, wanna stop here para take a video of the place? No.
Baka sungayan tayo ng kalabaw.
No, it's not kalabaw.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at this. Yeah.
Wow. Pag nabalahaw ikaw pag nabalahaw ka.
Ayun na, bahala na tayo. Oh yeah, dude.
Okay, I will not.
This is fun and scary at the same time. Reygan. Ingat ka, Reygan.
Oops, nagsaslide na yung kanyang gulong.
Puno na ng putik yung gulong niya, so wala ng traction.
Saan gagawin dyan? Oops.
Dahan-dahan, Reygan, dahan-dahan.
We will take videos nga. Ay,
Ano,
hindi, naka-GoPro ka naman,
Kasi
diba?
mag-video ka rin para ano, may backup tayo.
Ha?
Mag-video ka rin.
Naka-video ka?
Mag-video ka rin sabi ko.
Mag-video din ako. Sa cellphone ko? Sa cellphone mo? Cellphone ko na lang?
Reygan, gusto pa bang tumuloy?
Uy, ikaw ka.
Okay, huwag yun tayo.
Ano?
Para meron siyang space sa matras.
Sige. Anong gagawin natin kung ng... Of course, hindi ko muna siya i-message kasi...
Okay.
Yan, ikot tong paakap na to, over.
Makipot? Pero kaya lang?
I think ginawa natin dati, but I'm not sure kung kakayanin ng Dmax to, over.
Gusto mo, atras na tayo? Naka ano ba?
Gusto mo matras or kami muna mauna? I think buo na mali, doon tayo dumaan dati eh.
Yeah, kasi parang ano lang siya, lupa lang siya eh. Pero, I don't know, I'm thinking if I'm gonna try it or go for it or atras. May nagdidesal pa ako.
Sige, take your time. Video mo?
Naka-ready tayo.
Right.
Okay.
That's mine. That's mine. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Now we know.
Sige, kaya natin to.
Dex, careful.
Siyempre.
Ayun. Naka-turn on na? Naka-turn on?
Yung camera? Hindi.
Kaya ko, isabi.
So let's take these trucks off-road. Reygan, what do you say?
Sure, brother. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Okay, so this is the most challenging part of the trail, and I hope the Dmax makes it, man. Okay. Yeah, so that was fun. I think if you have a 4x4 vehicle, you should try at least off-roading once. It can be quite an addictive experience. And you'll feel like you got your money's worth. I mean, why buy a 4x4 if you're not going to take it off-road, right? The Ford Ranger FX4 Max is a very capable off-road machine. Its aggressive all-terrain tires, its higher ground clearance, and its differential lock are definitely helpful when off-roading. And also the step boards. It has steel step boards. They're not slippery even when covered in mud. And more importantly, since they're made of steel, they're not likely to get damaged even if you scrape. So it's like having underbody protection. The Dmax performed much better than we expected. It kept up with the FX4 Max, although we did have to avoid some parts of the trail that required a differential lock. So you can definitely take the Dmax LSE 4x4 off-road in stock form, although a tire upgrade and a suspension lift would definitely help. I'll do a full comparo of the Dmax LSE 4x4 and the Ranger FX4 Max in a couple of days. It will be a full comparo, so we'll compare everything from the features to the interior to the tech, etc. And I'll also post a full review of the Dmax LSE 4x4 in a couple of days. So watch out for those videos. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.